and over again. Trust me, trust me, trust me, and you will see. Follow your heart, knowing that I am your God. Trust me, whole and clean to me. My word